Long ago, in a realm where the heavens kissed the earth, there lived a stargazer named Elain. He dwelled atop Mount Lyria, where the sky shimmered with countless stars, each representing a wish whispered by those on the ground below. Elain had a unique gift. He could hear the stars sing, their melodies weaving the hopes, fears, and dreams of humanity into celestial harmonies. But the songs had grown faint, their brilliance dimmed by hatred and discord spreading among people. In a distant village at the mountain's base, two warriors, Kale and Myra, were locked in an unending feud. Once childhood friends, their bond had soured over a bitter misunderstanding. Kale believed Myra had betrayed him in battle, while Myra thought Kale had abandoned her. Their enmity divided the village, with factions forming around each of them. The air was thick with mistrust, and even the stars above seemed to mourn. One night, Elain descended from his peak, carrying a staff crowned with a fragment of a fallen star. He approached the village elder with a grave expression. "The stars are fading," he warned. "If their light goes out, so will the hope of your people. Kale and Myra must journey to the summit of unity and rekindle the celestial fire. Only together can they restore balance." The elder relayed Elain's words, and though Kale and Myra protested, the threat of losing the stars left them no choice. With heavy hearts, they began their ascent, carrying a shard of the last burning star in a crystal vessel. The path was treacherous, demanding not only strength but trust, something they had long forsaken. At first, their journey was fraught with silence, each step echoing the weight of their unresolved pain. But the mountain tested them, forcing cooperation. When a narrow bridge crumbled beneath Kale's feet, Myra's quick reflexes saved him. Later, Kale fended off a pack of shadow wolves that ambushed Myra during the night. Slowly, the barriers between them began to crack. One evening, as they rested beneath the stars, Myra broke the silence. "Kale, why did you leave me that day?" Her voice trembled, carrying years of hurt. Kale's eyes widened. "Leave you? Myra, I thought you betrayed me. The signal never came. I thought you lured me into a trap." Realization dawned. "The signal fire," Myra whispered. "It was snuffed out by the enemy before I could light it. I waited for you, Kale. I fought alone, thinking you'd abandoned me." The weight of their misunderstanding hit them like a tidal wave. Tears fell as they recounted their shared pain, each realizing how their assumptions had fanned the flames of hatred. Under the watchful gaze of the stars, they forgave each other, their bond rekindled like a long-lost ember. When they reached the summit of unity, the celestial fire lay dormant, its embers scattered. Kale and Myra knelt, placing their shard at its center. Together, they sang, Kale's deep, resonant voice harmonizing with Myra's clear, melodic tones. Their song carried the essence of their journey, pain, forgiveness, and newfound love. The fire roared to life, illuminating the heavens. The stars blazed brighter than ever, their melodies returning in full force. Elain appeared, a rare smile gracing his face. "You have done well. The stars will shine once more, for you have reminded the world that even hatred can transform into love when hearts are willing to listen." Kale and Myra returned to their village, not as warriors but as peacemakers. Their story spread far and wide, inspiring others to mend broken bonds and seek unity. The stars above Linara's skies shone as a testament to their journey, a reminder that even the darkest hatred can give way to the brightest love. Misunderstandings can breed hatred, but forgiveness and communication can rekindle even the most fractured bonds. Love and unity have the power to reignite the light of hope in the darkest of times.